Tesla's Model Y has been making headlines since its release, touted as the affordable luxury electric SUV that promises to revolutionize the market. However, with any new product, there are bound to be questions about its quality and whether it lives up to the hype. The Model Y is no exception, with some critics raising concerns about its build quality and production issues. On the other hand, Tesla supporters argue that the Model Y offers a unique driving experience and sets a new standard for electric vehicles. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Model Y and examine whether it truly delivers on its promise of affordable luxury, or if its quality has been compromised in the pursuit of innovation. So, buckle up and join us as we explore the world of Tesla's Model Y. In recent years, the affordable luxury car market has become increasingly popular among consumers. This market is defined by vehicles that offer high-end features and performance at a relatively affordable price point. While traditional luxury cars can cost upwards of $100,000, affordable luxury cars typically range from $30,000 to $50,000. This market has become particularly important for electric vehicle manufacturers like Tesla, as it allows them to expand their customer base beyond the luxury market. With the release of the Model Y, Tesla aims to compete with other affordable luxury SUVs like the Audi Q5 and BMW X3. However, as with any new vehicle, there are concerns about its quality and whether it truly delivers on its promise of affordable luxury. Overview of Tesla's Model Y. The Tesla Model Y is an all-electric compact SUV that was first unveiled in March 2019. It shares many features with the popular Model 3 sedan, including the same platform, interior design, and battery options. The Model Y is available in two versions: the long range, which has a range of up to 326 miles on a single charge, and the performance, which has a range of up to 303 miles and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. In terms of design, the Model Y has a sleek, modern look that is characteristic of Tesla vehicles. It features a panoramic glass roof, falcon wing doors, and a minimalist interior with a large touchscreen display. The Model Y also includes several advanced safety features, such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Quality concerns with Tesla's Model Y. Despite its impressive features and performance, the Model Y has faced criticism over its quality and build consistency. Some early owners reported issues with panel gaps, paint defects, and other manufacturing defects. These concerns were particularly notable given Tesla's reputation for high-quality vehicles, and its emphasis on advanced manufacturing techniques. Reviews of Tesla's Model Y. Despite these quality concerns, many reviewers have praised the Model Y for its impressive performance and advanced features. The Model Y has been lauded for its smooth ride, quick acceleration, and spacious interior. Reviewers have also noted the Model Y's advanced technology features, such as its autopilot system and large touchscreen display. However, some reviews have also raised concerns about the quality and reliability of the Model Y. Consumer Reports, for example, reported several issues with the Model Y's build quality in its initial review. The publication noted several defects, including misaligned body panels and a loose seatbelt, which raised concerns about the vehicle's overall quality. Comparison to other affordable luxury cars. In terms of pricing, the Model Y is positioned to compete with other affordable luxury SUVs like the Audi Q5 and BMW X3. However, the Model Y stands out in terms of its electric powertrain, which offers a range and performance that is unmatched by traditional gas-powered SUVs in this price range. Compared to other electric SUVs, such as the Ford Mustang Mach-E and the Volkswagen ID.4, the Model Y offers a higher level of performance and features at a similar price point. The Model Y's advanced technology features, such as autopilot and over-the-air software updates, also set it apart from other electric SUVs in this market. The future of Tesla's Model Y. Despite the quality concerns that have been raised about the Model Y, Tesla's continued investment in the vehicle suggests that the company is confident in its ability to address these issues. Tesla has announced plans to expand production of the Model Y, including building a new factory in Texas dedicated to the vehicle. As more consumers adopt electric vehicles, the Model Y is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. With its combination of advanced features, impressive performance, and relatively affordable price point, the Model Y has the potential to become a leader in the affordable luxury SUV market. Buying a Tesla Model Y is what to consider. If you're considering buying a Tesla Model Y, there are several factors to consider. First and foremost, it's important to research the vehicle thoroughly and read reviews from other owners to get a sense of any potential quality concerns. You should also consider the availability of charging infrastructure in your area. While Tesla has its own network of superchargers, it's important to ensure that you have access to charging stations in your daily routine. It's also important to consider the cost of electricity compared to gas, as this can impact the overall cost of ownership. Finally, you should consider your personal driving habits and needs. While the Model Y offers impressive performance and range, it may not be the best fit for everyone. It's important to test drive the vehicle and consider factors like cargo space and passenger comfort before making a decision. The Tesla Model Y represents an exciting addition to the affordable luxury SUV market, offering advanced features and impressive performance at a relatively affordable price point. While concerns about quality and reliability have been raised, Tesla's continued investment in the vehicle suggests that the company is confident in its ability to address these issues. As electric vehicles become more popular, the Model Y is well positioned to become a leader in this market, offering a unique combination of luxury and sustainability. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.